Welcome to Sci-Port. My name is Brianna, and today we're going to show you how to make an airplane that doesn't require wings, and today we call it a hoopster. All right, hi guys. We are here to make your hoopsters, but first I would like you to take a look inside of your kit. So the first thing you should see when you pull out your kit is going to be a guide, and this just shows you all the instructions that you will need. You're going to have an index card, a straw, you need a pen, of course, tape, a ruler, and a pair of scissors. All right, guys, so now that we have the materials that we need out, I'm going to show you how to cut your index card. So if you guys do not have a ruler, this is a quick way that you can do it really quickly and easy. Okay, guys, so if you take your index card and your ruler, place your ruler directly on top to center the 0. And if you count from the red line to the third, that will actually give you an inch. And that's exactly what you need. So 1, 2, 3, that is 1 inch. And if you count from your third line and go 4 more down, you will make 2 inches. 4. All right, and that is all you need for that part. So in the future, just count from the red line, of course, and just go 3 down. You have 1 inch. Go 4 more down, and you'll have your 2nd inch. Cool. Now that you got that part out of the way, now all you have to do is cut your index card. And now that your index card is cut, you have 3 equal strips. And that is all you need for this part. All right, guys, so here's the fun part. We are going to make your big hoopster circle and your small hoopster circle. So for your big circle, you're going to take a piece of tape. And you are going to take 2 strips of your index card and make sure they overlap just a little. And after they overlap, you're going to take your tape and place it right on top. Then you want to take a second piece of tape, take your index strips, slightly fold them just a little, make sure they overlap again. Take your tape, stick it together. Now sometimes you might want to take a second piece of tape just to be on the safe side. There you go. And I'm going to tape the other side as well. There we go. And that is your big circle for your first one. And let's do the small one. Want to make sure that one overlaps as well. Take your piece of tape and just lay it on top. And there's your small hoopster. All right, so now you should have a straw. So the trick to the straw is you want to make sure when you take your tape, you want to put the sticky side up first. Then you're just going to lay your straw on top. And you're going to do that for the top and the bottom part. Alrighty. Now you're going to take your small hoopster and you're going to put it at the top. Make sure it is placed on the tape so it can stick together. Then you're going to take your big hoopster and place it at the bottom. There you go. And this should line up together in the middle, kind of. Let's see here. There we go. Yeah, and they lined up perfect. And the front is going to be the small end of your hoopster. The big part always goes in the back. And it should look like that, guys. All right, so we can actually try it out. All right, guys, so now that your hoopster is made, you want to take it by the middle, and then all you're going to do is toss it. So we're going to try it out and see how it goes. Cool. All right, so that turned out pretty good. So just a couple questions. What would happen if you wanted to experiment? You could add a paper clip to the bottom of the small piece, or you could actually add a straw into the next straw to make it bigger. So this is just a couple things if you want to try it out and have fun. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed making your hoopster. Will you please leave a comment and let us know how it went? And thank you for coming.